Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading. I want to show you the gardening skills of the local perpetrators. I completely cleaned up this bed, and they planted grass seed in my garden bed that is covered. Check it out, folks. It's everywhere. Look, grass seed. Everywhere. Grass seed. They're so jealous. Such jealous, pathetic losers. They cannot create for themselves, so they have to sabotage others' success and steal from others because they cannot create for themselves. They're jealous, pathetic losers. And Carmageddon is on its way every day. Thank you for watching, folks. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading on Sunday. I think it's the 26th of March. Signing off for now.